What is Bodywell? It's an 8-week program designed to empower you and strengthen your body inside and out. The body that held and nurtured your child, or maybe more than one. What is Bodywell? It's movement, mindfulness, nutrition, but it's so much more. It's a community you can lean on and know they have your back. Bodywell is not about a size or a number. It's much more than that. It's about seeing what you thought was impossible become possible and embracing the evolution as you become a stronger version of yourself. It's taking limits you thought you had and pushing past them. It's setting goals and crushing them. It's about looking in the mirror and seeing yourself the way your children see you. Strong, beautiful, worthy. And realizing you are unstoppable.